Today we're going to go over Doodle, the new scheduling website that we will use from now on. This website gives us the freedom to line up everyone's schedule without all the back and forth, all in one place, no matter the time zone, no matter the calendar you use, and we can make it work best for everyone through this one website. So if you have not already, go ahead and sign up or log in if you already have. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to create a poll for either a group meeting, one-on-one meeting, or if you'd just like to take a survey. We are going to create a group meeting as an example. The first time you do it, it may give you the option to connect your contacts as well as your calendar, and that will make bringing in your contacts to invite people much more simple, as well as putting it into your schedule so that nothing is ever missed. So for the first example, we'll go basic with example. We're going to go ahead and say online. And if we have any other option, null notes, we can add that in. Go continue. In the basic option of this program, you'll be able to select the day, but until I connect my calendar, I won't be able to select the time. So for this example, we'll say today and continue. And now these are our options. For polling to get everybody's best time and date, we can give them any of these options so they can indicate if this option is not ideal. We can limit the number of votes per option, limit participants to a single vote, and we can also go ahead and hide who's going if we would like. Finish. For this video, I have not connected any contacts. This would be the point of adding that in, as well as giving a message before we send an email. And since I'm not doing that, I will bring you back to the home page. It does still give me the option to add participants later. Now this is my event I've created. So I will be waiting, and if I list other participants, I will get my polling results here. I can respond as well. And then we can go ahead and go back to our dashboard. And this will be the place we see all of the events that we are waiting for polls, all of our invitations, and our responses here. After I have all the responses I need, and like I said earlier, once I've connected my calendar, I will be able to actually book the event. Whether it's a meeting, online, in person, we had all those options when we set this up. And from there, everybody will get notified. Everybody's on the same page. They know the time, the place, any details, all with one website versus multiple emails coming in and phone calls. This will keep us organized and on track. Thank you.